What are some effective ways to write a strong conclusion?
Hello everyone! Today, we're going to discuss a crucial aspect of essay writing: how to write a strong and effective conclusion. This is the last thing your reader sees and the final opportunity to leave a lasting impression. So it's important that we do it right.
Why is a strong conclusion important?
A strong conclusion is not just a summary, but a chance to drive your argument home. It's where you highlight your main points and show how they all tie together to support your thesis. A strong conclusion leaves the reader with a clear understanding of your position and why it matters.
How to write an effective conclusion?
To write an effective conclusion, follow these steps. 1. Restate your thesis. Begin by restating your thesis in a new way. You don't want to merely repeat it verbatim, but rather rephrase it, showing that you've proven your point in the body of the essay. 2. Summarize your main points. Briefly revisit the key points of your essay. Do this succinctly. Your conclusion should not become a lengthy repetition of the essay. 3. End with a strong statement. The final sentence should be powerful and provoke thought or emotion. This could be a call to action, a prediction, or a question.
What are some examples of strong conclusions?
Let's look at a couple of examples. For an argumentative essay. In conclusion, considering the overwhelming evidence from numerous scientific studies, we cannot afford to risk the future of our planet for the sake of fossil fuels. We must take action now and switch to renewable sources of energy. For a literary analysis essay. Thus, through the tragic downfall of Macbeth, Shakespeare powerfully illuminates the devastating consequences of unchecked ambition. His fate serves as a stark reminder that those who defy the natural order of things often meet a bitter end. In conclusion, an effective essay conclusion reiterates your thesis, summarizes your main points, and ends with a strong final statement. Remember, it's your last chance to leave a strong impression on your reader. Don't shy away from being bold, concise, and impactful. I hope you found this guide on writing effective conclusions helpful. Happy writing!